Sheila and I were married in 2003. A very lovely outdoor wedding.
We live in a typical community, and there's a lot of nice trails that we can walk through.
My job is a very physically demanding job. I do a ton of walking every day. When I saw the words mass with malignant tendencies, that's when it really hit me.
I was really shocked that Mark had cancer.
Nobody saw it coming. On Monday, I went to see my family doctor. Wednesday, he got me in to see a specialist, and on Friday, I was in having surgery. It absolutely turned our life upside down.
Changed everything.
We had hoped that the surgery would be the end of the cancer. However, a couple of months later, in a routine checkup, the doctor notified me that the cancer had spread to 2 of my lymph nodes. The toll on the body was excruciating. Again, I realized there was no way I could go into work.
Suddenly a whole bunch of things started going through my mind. How are we going to pay the bills, pay for the mortgage? With me taking time off work and with Mark taking time off work. If we didn't have critical illness insurance, it would have been pretty scary to think about, how we would get by.
Some of the drugs that I had to take through the chemotherapy treatment are quite expensive, $200 to $300 per needle.
Critical illness insurance was a huge relief.
The payout that we received meant that I could get well on my own time and not feel financial stress of having to go back to work. Just after we got married, we bought some life insurance. Spoke with Sheila about critical illness, and
I didn't think it was wise to purchase the critical illness because we were young, we were active. It just didn't seem like anything could happen to us.
Now we both look back at that day and we're very thankful that we bought it.
The critical illness insurance allowed us to reconsider a bunch of things in our lives.
Made us refocus. Since going back to work, I've consciously made sure that I watch my stress level.
I'm more focused on Mark and I and what our plans are together.
The critical illness insurance didn't do anything to change my diagnosis. It does allow you the flexibility and to focus on healing yourself.